Hey everybody, Mr. Saad here, and today we're talking all about the importance of being good listeners and paying attention during a fire drill in a school. Now it's important to remember, friends, that every fire drill from school to school can look a little bit different, but at the same time, it's the job of the adults in the school to simply get you out of the building quickly and safely. Let's talk about 3 easy steps that you can follow in your school to have a successful fire drill. Step number 1, as soon as you hear the fire alarm, move towards the door in the room that you're in. And if you can, look towards your educator for special instructions. Can I bring my water bottle?
No.
Can I bring my pencil case?
No.
Can I bring my jacket?
No.
It's important to leave everything you have behind and head for the door. Here comes step number 2. Once your group is all lined up and ready to go, your educator will let you know that you can leave the room and head out of the classroom, or in my case, the portable. Your educator will also grab a clipboard with a class list or an emergency folder to make sure that when they get outside, they have everybody that they should. Now this one's important. Don't run and calmly exit your classroom and move toward your designated exit. Each room in the school should have a sign marked with the proper evacuation plan and where you should head in the event of an alarm. Your school will also have emergency lights that sometimes come on in poorly lit areas, allowing people a clearer path to safety. Now, once you're on your way to your evacuation spot, make sure you stay with your class, stay in a nice straight line, and don't run, but try and move as quick as you can. Each classroom at my school heads out a different exit, but we all go to the same place. All of us head out to the main playing field out in the playground. And here's step number 3 to have a successful fire drill. My school uses the entire playing field behind me to line up in nice straight rows. Your job is to get into the row and listen very carefully for your name to be called. Once you hear your name called, it's your job to say nice and loud, "Here," and let your educator know that you made it to the line safe and sound. But your job's not quite done yet. Stand nice and quietly in line and wait for everybody else's name to be called. Then listen carefully for additional instructions from your educator. Once the fire drill is done, the office will usually ring the bell to let the whole school know that you can come on back inside. Congratulations! You just had a successful fire drill.